Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Arishita Roy and today I'm going to show you some affordable makeup for beginners. So further delay, let's get started. Okay, so first please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Now let's get started. Okay, so the first product I have this moisturizer from Mamaearth. This is oil-free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar and this is for acne-prone skin. This is worth rupees I guess 299. I will mention the price on the screen and also link the details on the description box so you can go and check from that. And in case you want more cheaper moisturizer, then I will recommend you to go for Pond's Light moisturizer. That is worth rupees 210 only. Okay, so the next product I have this primer from Meliao. I don't know whether I am pronouncing it correct or not. Bear with me, but this is good primer. Matte finish oil free primer. This is worth rupees 399. I don't remember. I will mention the price on the screen. Okay, third product I have these foundations. I am having not two foundations. I am having first foundation from Maybelline Fit Me and the second one is CC cream from Lakme 9 to 5. The Lakme 9 to 5 my shade is 02 honey and for foundation my shade is sun beige. Okay, so this is the worth rupees I think 450 or 550 and Lakme wala I guess 150 because this is small pack. I know the price. This is 150 and foundation is 440 or 540. I will mention the price. In case you want more cheaper foundation, then you can go for Lakme 9 to 5 liquid foundation. That is worth rupees 299 or 399 I guess. And another one is from also Maybelline Fit Me. That's छोटू वाला जो pouch आता है. I don't know the price. I will attach the pictures on the screen. You will go and check that. Okay, so the next product is this from Swiss Beauty. This is eyebrow and gel liner. Yes, this is eyebrow and gel liner. इसके साथ आपको एक छोटा सा ब्रश भी मिल जाएगा. This is worth rupees 210. Yes, this is worth rupees 210. This is eyebrow powder. This is eyebrow like powder on the upper side and the gel in the inner side. Okay, so the next product I have these concealers from Maybelline Fit Me again. I'm loving these Maybelline products. And this is from Swiss Beauty Conceal Liquid Concealer in shade 06 Moan I guess, worth rupees 299 and this worth rupees 450 or something. I will mention on the screen. And this is my first concealer. I am having this from so long also and this suits me best. The next product is these sponges. स्पॉन्ज तो मैंने ऐसे ही स्टोर से ले लिया था 40 रुपीज़ बट मैंने बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को देखा है. इफ़ यू गो फॉर द गुड स्पॉन्ज देन आई विल रिकमेंड यू गो फॉर IBA Cosmetics. Their sponges are so soft and good for blending. Okay, so the next product I have this eyeliner from Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. This is worth rupees 416. I don't know whether it is correct or not because मैंने I guess Nykaa पे 300 और 340 something का देखा था. Although I purchase it from store, so price में अंतर तो हो ही सकता है. And the next product is also from Maybelline mascara, the Colossal Waterproof Mascara. These products are good for beginners or teenage. These are my I guess fourth or fifth mascara and liner from Maybelline. I'm having this from so long and loving these products. The next product I'm having these 12 set brushes from Amazon worth rupees 399. So the 5 bigger brushes is for face makeup and 6 small brushes is for eye makeup and that concealer. एंड ये आपको साथ में एक फ्री में मिलता है बट आई डोंट नो कहाँ यूज़ होता है. सो मैं इससे हाइलाइटर यूज़ करती हूँ एंड कभी कभी कॉन्टोर भी कर लेती हूँ. सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आई हैव दिस फ्रॉम वेट एंड वाइल्ड कलर आइकॉन ब्लश. दिस इज़ इन द शेड शिमर रोज गोल्ड. यू कैन सी मैंने हाफ ख़त्म भी कर चुका है. आई हैव टू बाई अ न्यू. दिस इज़ गुड फॉर फेस्टिव सीजन बिकॉज दिस इज़ हैविंग शिमर शेड and This is worth rupees 399 or 499, I guess. I will mention the next product I have this eyeshadow palette from Color Studio. Ignore that, मैंने वो ख़राब कर दिया है. आपको इसमें 18 कलर्स मिल जाएंगे. आई डोंट नो वेदर इट इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन Nykaa or Amazon or any other online shopping site. This is worth rupees 399. Actually I purchased it from a store, so मुझे ये थोड़ा महंगा पड़ गया, but I think मैंने कहीं देखा है, so I will found it for you and link the details in the description. These are so pigmented and this is my first eyeshadow palette and अभी तक ज़्यादा मैंने यूज़ किया भी नहीं है because I am not an eyeshadow person. So the next product is I have is this highlighter from Swiss Beauty. This is worth rupees 399 or 299, I don't know. I will mention the price. And this is so good. This is so pigmented. इसमें 3 कलर्स आपको मिल जाएंगे. This so first one is silver, the second one is golden and the third one is rose gold, I think. Yes, the rose gold. These 3 color and these are so pigmented. See, this is my first highlight. No, this is not my first highlighter, sorry. This is my second highlighter. The first highlighter I am using this Mars HD highlighting liquid, but मुझे ये ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आया क्योंकि लिक्विड हाइलाइटर स्प्रेड करने में बहुत रफ हो जाता है. सो आई विल गो फॉर द पाउडर वन. एंड लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस lipsticks is from again Maybelline and this from Nykaa. The Maybelline lipstick is worth rupees 299. This smells so good. This is in shade 634 bold crimson and the Nykaa one is I am having this 13M mulled wine which I am wearing. वैसे almost ख़त्म हो चुका है but this is also good. The next product I have this natural makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty with aloe vera gel and vitamin E. This is worth rupees 249. Yes, 249. This is so good for teenage and beginners. I am having this for more than 6 or 7 months and this is so good. इसमें अभी भी है and I am loving this. This is my also first product from Swiss Beauty. That's it for today. Hope you like and enjoy my video. In case you want to know me more, please do follow me on Instagram and Facebook and do not forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share with your friends. See you soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.